There are so many ways to make money online, but doing it fast? That's a different story. In this video, I'll share 7 realistic ways to start earning money online within a month, which I think we can all agree is definitely fast. Each requires different types of work, so there's something for everyone. Right out the gate, we're talking flipping. Whether it's eBay arbitrage, garage sale treasure hunting, or local buy and sell groups and sites, flipping is the lowest resistance way to start making money quickly because, end to end, it's about instant gratification for both you and your buyers. Arbitrage, which is leveraging the fact that things can cost wildly different prices in different parts of the world, is something that scales. Whether it's finding a camera at a big box retailer and putting it on sale on eBay for triple of what you paid for, all the way to entire full-blown businesses that buy things at, say, Walmart and resell on Amazon. But this can all start with what you already own. It's amazing what some people will find desirable. After all, as the saying goes, one person's trash is another's treasure. So even starting small and selling items from your own home on Facebook Marketplace is a sure shot way to start making money as fast as possible. Upfront cost can literally be zero if you start with what you have. Things move up to, say, $100 if you want to scour garage sales, and of course sky's the limit if you want to do some aggressive cross-border arbitrage. But the point is, it can be low resistance, low cost, and can make you money quite literally as fast as the same day that you start. Next up is online tutoring. Since early 2020, for better or worse, education of all kinds has migrated in varying degrees to online delivery. The biggest challenge faced by children, parents, and teachers alike is fragmented attention, and so one-on-one education, where there's a constant and immediate feedback loop between student and teacher, has become the most reliable way to ensure focus and therefore results. Whether it's elementary math, help with high school essays, SAT prep, or even a specific software like Photoshop, people of all ages seek out one-on-one tutors when fastest results are desired. And with a normalized shift to online video call delivery, there's never been a better time to teach whatever it is that you're confidently able to. So whether it's sticking flyers to light poles in your neighborhood, posting your tutoring service in Facebook Marketplace, calling up schools in your area to ask permission to stick a posterette onto the school's bulletin board, or simply starting with family or friends, the barrier to entry is low, and since each lesson satisfies instant gratification, you can get paid immediately after each session you teach. And if what you teach is very process-driven, the third quick money-making option is creating an online course that you can sell. With the advent of websites like Skillshare and LinkedIn Learn, regular folks like you and me are making literally thousands of dollars every month as people consume courses on everything from how to make friendship bracelets to how to solve quadratic trinomials. But beyond subscription education sites, countless other people are selling courses independently in super niche markets. I mean, just a quick Google search revealed to me that over 5 independent creators are selling a course on specifically how to jump higher for amateur basketball players. Maybe you're a busy parent and you have figured out 7 dinners that each take less than 15 minutes to cook that your kids absolutely love. You can turn that into a course by filming yourself cooking 1 meal a day for a week and immediately package it and sell it to other parents on local buy and sell Facebook groups for starters. Call it something like a week of family dinners that take less time than drive-through. And best of all, you can charge something very low, like $10 for the video course, because it's now a product. You spend a week making videos, and those videos can continue to earn you $10 at a time, even while you sleep. And by the way, Shopify is set up perfectly to sell digital products like online courses, and I welcome you to check out a really valuable, in-depth blog post on the Shopify blog that dives deep into how to sell and market digital products, and I'll link that article down in the description below. And speaking of digital products, another great option to making money online fast are ebooks. I mean, ebooks used to be free lead magnets that for a period of time became sort of cringy to many marketers. But if you find a way to provide real value, the ebooks themselves can be a great product to sell. One ebook that everyone can make right now, and yes, that includes you, is a guide to tourists visiting your city. You might even choose to make a bunch of them broken down by topics and sell them for very cheap and just bank on sheer volume. For example, maybe you're from, Austin, Texas, and you make 5 ebooks that you sell for just $2 each. One might be called The Most Important Things for You to Do Once You Land at Austin Bergstrom International Airport, which includes things like guiding foreign visitors on how to get a local travel SIM card, which cab companies to trust, how to get a transit pass directly at the airport, and other must-know tips including how to get help in case of an emergency. Another might be your top picks for fun activities for couples, while another ebook might be specifically targeted at family-friendly activities and restaurants. You might even broaden your library of Austin, Texas related ebooks all the way to the super niche, like the best Instagram-worthy spots in Austin, or even more niche, like the best legal and illegal skateboarding spots in Austin. The best part about this type of micro-priced and micro-effort ebook strategy is that if you pair it with your own exploration of your city through your Instagram account, you can simultaneously become the travel authority for your city and be able to monetize in so many other ways in the future. But again, this video is on how to make money online fast, and ebooks, targeted and niched down in the right way, are a fantastic way to do just that. Next on the list is making money by selling service-based skills on gig sites like Fiverr or Upwork. Now, you may feel like you don't have any special skills like graphic or web design, but don't let that discourage you, because a dig through Fiverr and you'll see just how many random services are offered. I mean, do you have a voice? Because investing a few $100s in a good microphone means you can offer voiceover services. Do you annoy your friends by pointing out their spelling and grammatical errors in the text messages they send you? Because proofreading is another popular service on these sites. Are you the type of person who writes reviews for everything? This means conversational and topic-focused writing in short spurts comes naturally to you, so copywriting might just be what enables you to start making money on these sites today. And hey, maybe you are a web developer, graphic designer, music producer, or other creative, in which case you can fill your freelance schedule up during downtime with new clients on these types of sites as well. But maybe your skill or passion lies not in digitally deliverable products or services, but instead is a craft or artistic hobby. And this leads us to the next way to make money fast online: monetizing your product-based hobby. Whether you're into painting, photography, jewelry making, woodworking, or, glass blowing, you have the opportunity to turn your hobby into a product-based e-commerce business. Whether you just start off selling your creations on Facebook Marketplace or Etsy, or decide to create your very own website to sell on, one thing is for sure: there is always a market for unique, handcrafted goods, and if you are willing to part with your creations, this is a fantastic way to build a business gradually on your terms. My recommendation though, charge way more than you think you should. If what you create is unique and of high quality, there will be a market for it. And one of the saddest things is when what used to be a passion that you loved turns into a stressful job that doesn't even feel like it's paying you enough. By keeping your quantities low, your quality high, and demand in constant hunger, you can continue to create at your own pace, earn a lot per piece, and most importantly, still keep your passion, something that you love and cherish. When we love something, we don't do it for the money. But if we decide to turn the hobby into a side hustle without earning as much per piece as you love the process, you'll start to feel like your passion is devalued, and worst of all, devalued by yourself for not charging enough. And hey, if your crafts really do take off, you can outsource a lot of the grunt work and start offering two distinct lines of your crafts. One cheaper mass-produced line, and one super high-end custom line of products where you get to keep your passion and work one-on-one with high-paying customers to create exactly what they want. Next up, print on demand. This is an amazing option for graphic designers and digital artists. POD is an automated three-way relationship between your e-commerce store, your print-on-demand supplier, and your customers, with virtually zero risk or upfront cost to you. In a nutshell, print-on-demand suppliers offer various blank products, things like clothing, mugs, canvas prints, and many others, and you create an account with them, upload your art, and synchronize your POD account with your online store. When someone visits your e-commerce store and buys one of your products, say a travel coffee tumbler with your art on it, your website automatically notifies your print-on-demand supplier, and one of their employees grabs a blank coffee tumbler, loads it onto the UV printer, prints your design on it, packages it, and ships it to your customer, all without you ever needing to lift a single finger. Say you charge $25 for that tumbler on your website. The print-on-demand supplier charges you quite a lot, say $15 for the tumbler itself, the printing, and the packaging, but you get to collect the remaining $10 in your sleep. If you are interested in checking out how easily Shopify integrates with the most popular print-on-demand suppliers, I welcome you to sign up for your 100% free, no-strings-attached trial to Shopify, where you can create your store and integrate with a print-on-demand supplier within minutes. Oh, and if you want to deep dive into everything you need to know about print-on-demand, you should definitely watch this video right over here. If you got some value from this video, do me a favor and hit that like button, because that one little tap or click helps us out a ton. And if you got lots of value, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified the moment new videos just like this one drop. But regardless, thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next one.